Gabrielle Union looked fabulous in a plunging scalloped crop top with a matching high-waisted skirt at the Cheaper by the Dozen premiere on March 16. Gabrielle Union stole the show at the Cheaper by the Dozen premiere at Capitan Theatre in Hollywood on March 16. The 49-year-old actress showed off her fabulous figure in a black and white Altuzarra outfit featuring a plunging crop top and matching maxi skirt. Gabrielle's outfit featured a super low-cut bralette top with cool scallop details that put her ample cleavage on full display. The high-waisted, fitted skirt put her toned abs and tiny waist on display, while the side of the skirt featured a plunging slit. Gabrielle topped her look off with black and PVC platform, peep-toe heels, and dazzling diamond Bulgari jewels. As for her glam, her makeup was done by artist Tasha Rayco Brown, who gave her a gorgeous neutral look featuring voluminous lashes and a glossy nude lip. Her hair was parted in the middle in sleek waves. Related gallery. Dwyane Wade and Gabrielle Union, see photos of the couple. Gabrielle was joined on the red carpet by her husband, Dwyane Wade, and their kids Aya, 14, and Kavya, 3. Dwyane looked handsome in his black outfit, which was made up of a Dunhill wrap cardigan and a pair of fitted, black and white pinstripe trousers. He topped his look off with a pair of black patent leather shoes with chunky white laces. Meanwhile, Kavya looked adorable when she matched her mom's outfit. She rocked a halter neck dress in the exact pattern and color as her mom. Zaya looked fabulous in a green and black silk floral crop top with matching high-waisted shorts and a short-sleeve button-down on top, which she chose to leave open. A pair of strappy sandals, a diamond necklace, and an up to tied her look together.